So as you can see, we have the paper all underneath it. We're gonna spray it down with some primer and then go over that with a gloss black top coat. Everything is thoroughly cleaned down. All the spatter has been cleaned off. All the welds have been made. So we're just going to give it a coat.
To mold a new reality, closer to the heart, closer to the heart. The blacksmith and the audience reflected in their art. They forged their creativity, closer to the heart, closer to the heart.
So we did the first coat of the primer and we ran out. So that's as much primer as it's going to get. And remember to always wear a mask when painting. So now we're going to let this dry for the recommended amount of time, and then spray the top coat. So I went ahead and gave it a coat of paint. I didn't film it because it's simply painting. It looks pretty good. Looking really good. It'll need a second coat. So we're going to let this coat fully dry and then go over it again. As you can see, the cart's all finished up now. Didn't bother filming any of the last painting because, as I said earlier, it's just painting and you probably know how to do it. I've got the welder bolts down. There. Got all the cords cabled around. Toolbox underneath. Helmet on the back. Perfect spot for extra spools of wire. Turned out really, really good. Rolls incredibly easy. And it's relatively light to pick up. So that's it for this build series.